Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you inside one of the most ultra-modern tiny eco-homes that is redefining the way we think about compact living, sustainability, and intelligent design. As I walk you through this brilliant space, prepare to be amazed by how every inch has been intentionally crafted to combine luxury, environmental responsibility, and modern innovation. This tiny eco-home might look small from the outside, but once we step in, you'll see how it truly blows your mind with smart architecture, high-end finishes, and multifunctional spaces that make it feel far more expansive than its size suggests. Imagine living in a home that not only reduces your carbon footprint, but also gives you a calming, minimalist life surrounded by nature, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional functionality. As you enter through the sleek glass door, you're welcomed into an open, concept living area that feels airy thanks to its soaring ceilings, strategic skylights, and full-height windows that allow maximum natural light to flood the space. The color palette is kept minimal, soft whites, light oak tones, and matte black accents, to maintain a clean, fresh aesthetic while enhancing spatial perception. Furniture here is custom-made to fit seamlessly, including a built-in sofa with hidden storage, a folding dining table that tucks into the wall, and modular shelving that adjusts based on need. The designers worked with highly sustainable materials, including reclaimed timber, recycled aluminum framing, and energy-efficient low-emission insulation, ensuring that the home's environmental impact stays as minimal as possible. Just beyond the living area, the kitchen showcases innovation at its finest. Compact yet fully equipped, it features a combination microwave oven, an induction burner that retracts when not in use, sink covers that transform into additional workspace, and custom cabinetry with finger-pull openings for smooth, minimalist lines. All appliances are Energy Star certified and powered through a smart solar panel and battery system, allowing this home to often function off-grid. The countertops are crafted from recycled glass composite paired with matte black faucets and integrated LED underlighting. There's even a drinkable water filtration system connected to rainwater harvesting tanks, proving that sustainable living can still be incredibly stylish. Moving into the bedroom space, you'll be surprised by how cozy and luxurious it feels. Instead of traditional walls, sliding partitions help convert the space for privacy or openness depending on the mood. A custom queen-size bed folds flush against the wall, revealing a workstation or home gym area. Beneath the bed platform is suitcase storage, and soft ambient lighting hidden behind the headboard can be controlled through voice activation. Triple glazed windows frame stunning views of nature, and even the blinds automatically adjust based on sunlight, keeping indoor temperatures regulated naturally. Let's take a look at the bathroom, which feels like something out of a boutique spa. Despite its compact size, it features natural stone tiles, a walk-in rainfall shower enclosed in frameless glass, and a smart composting toilet that reduces water usage to nearly zero. The vanity is built from bamboo and features an integrated herb garden growing with low-energy grow lights, adding both functionality and freshness to the environment. A backlit mirror includes a defog feature and real-time home statistics like water usage, energy production, and indoor air quality, all accessible by a simple touch. One of the most impressive aspects of this tiny eco-home is its integration with smart home technology. Everything from air conditioning, lighting, security systems, and window positioning can be controlled via smartphone or voice. Motion sensors activate lights in areas only when needed, infrared heating panels are installed in the floor to conserve energy, and the ventilation system ensures continuous airflow without energy waste. The home also has future-ready sustainability features, including plant plastic-based insulation, zero-VOC paint, and an intelligent air purification system that eliminates allergens and airborne pollutants. Let's step outside where an extended deck brings the indoors out. Crafted from recycled composite wood, it includes an outdoor seating lounge, heat-resistant planter boxes filled with native plants, and a retractable shade canopy powered by solar energy. This space is perfect for enjoying sunsets, entertaining guests, or simply relaxing in the fresh air. The home sits atop an adjustable steel pier foundation to reduce soil impact and allow relocation if needed. A green roof supports natural insulation and biodiversity, while rainwater is directed into collection barrels for reuse. Now let's talk about energy efficiency. This home operates almost entirely on renewable energy. Rooftop solar panels connect to a battery storage system that provides power even during grid outages. The structure is oriented strategically to capture sunlight, while thermally insulated windows minimize heat loss. In many climates, this home can maintain its temperature using passive heating and cooling, significantly reducing reliance on external energy sources. Combined with its exceptional use of space, this home proves that eco-living does not mean compromising comfort. Throughout the home, the design philosophy is clear: simplicity that serves purpose. Every element is carefully thought out to offer multiple functionalities. There are wall-mounted tracks enabling shelves, hooks, and folding furniture to be repositioned instantly. The home even includes an innovative ladder system providing access to an attic storage area, or can be used as modular shelving. Charging ports and concealed wiring maintain a clutter-free atmosphere. Soundproofing materials ensure privacy and serenity, making this compact home surprisingly peaceful. This tiny eco-home is ideal for individuals, couples, or even small families seeking a lifestyle shift towards sustainability, simpler living, and financial liberation. Instead of spending on large mortgages and high utility bills, living in a home like this allows more time enjoying life and less time maintaining unnecessary space. Perfect as a primary residence, weekend retreat, guest house, or vacation rental, it blends modern luxury with responsible construction. In fact, many metropolitan cities are now embracing these eco-homes as part of future housing solutions. As we wrap up this tour, ask yourself, could you live in a home like this? Imagine waking up to natural light, surrounded by clean lines and smart technology, knowing your lifestyle supports the environment. This tiny eco-home is more than just compact living. It's a bold statement of how modern design and sustainability can coexist. If this place blew your mind just like it did mine, make sure to stay until the end, because we'll be sharing more incredible spaces like this. And don't go anywhere, because this home has one last surprise we haven't even talked about yet. Hidden beneath the living area floor is a retractable staircase that leads to a built-in subfloor storage chamber that keeps outdoor gear, tools, and seasonal items neatly organized without cluttering the main space. Additionally, the home's modular construction allows extensions to be added over time. Optional features include a rooftop terrace, hydroponic indoor garden station, and even kinetic flooring that generates electricity as you walk. Ultimately, this is more than a house. It's a progressive move toward the future, innovative, minimized, highly efficient, designed for comfort with the smallest possible environmental footprint. And with proper planning, tiny eco-homes like this could revolutionize how we think about sustainability. Thank you so much for joining me on this walkthrough. If you enjoyed this mind-blowing tiny eco-home and want more incredible designs like this, make sure to stick around for the next tour. Until then, take care and keep dreaming bigger, even if your space is small.